Look, do the. Hi guys, I'm Marisol and I'm here with my best friend Esme. It's her first time being on my channel, and in today's video I decided to give her a transformation. I saw Kelsey do one and I was like, I could do one too, you know. And I love Kelsey, so yeah. So I curled her hair, I gave her an outfit with my clothes, I did her makeup, and the makeup look I tried recreating. I'll put a picture right here. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look and how I transformed her, then please keep watching. Do it with me.
I don't know. How do you do it?
So nothing to see. Okay. So this is what she looks like right now. Look at her. She means she's still beautiful, but look at her. Stand up. Show them your fit right now.
No, I like just ate. I had like a, what is that thing called?
A belly.
A belly.
This is her fit right now. Fashion Nova, baby. Just kidding. So for reals, you guys, it's time to get started. So I'm clipping her hair back, and she uses this e.l.f. primer. It's the hydrating one, and this is what it looks like because this is what goes with her skin type. So just go ahead and prime your face. Then I'm just adding an extra step of applying the Professional by Benefit primer just for any pores that might be shown, but I feel like this girl has nothing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use this Pro Concealer by LA Girls to conceal her eyelids and prepare her for the actual eyeshadow. This is Pua. It's Esme's doggy. Over that, I'm putting the Maybelline concealer because it's lighter and I really want there to be a white base so that the eyeshadows are more vibrant. And don't set the freaking concealer, homie. Leave it like that. And we're going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I am so in love with it. And you guys, I added tape because at the end we really want that nice sharp edge. And I'm applying this pink into her crease, like under the brow bone, just how you see here. Then I'm taking these beautiful orange colors and I'm going to put that on the other side of the eye. So you saw I put the pink on half of it and then the other on the other half. Just do that. We should make him a little skirt. Once you got that orange and pink going on, I'm going into this violet purple color and I'm going to put that on the outer part of her eye, making it angled and blending it in slightly with the pink, but don't like completely get rid of the pink, you know. And because we didn't set the concealer, I like patting it at first. Okay, this is coming out really cute. Ah! And then I'm taking this darker purple you see here and I'm going to place that more towards the inner part of her eyelid. And I'm going to pat it first and then blend it outwards. I'm doing this! You see me doing this?
Barely.
They do. Exclaimer, don't forget to put chapstick on your lips because you don't want them chapped. And to cut her crease, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer that we used earlier. And I'm just going to, of course, cut half of the crease. And don't set it, just go right into the eyeshadow. So I'm using this beautiful sky blue. And just go ahead and pat that on there. Then I'm taking a shade right under it because it was a little shimmery and nice. And I'm going to put that in the center of her eyelid.
This is so beautiful! Oh my God.
And so that it's more blended out, I'm taking this lighter purple and I'm going to put that right where the purple and the blue meet so that it's more like you don't see that harsh line of the two very vibrant colors, and it's more like fading into it. And then I'm taking the pinks and I'm going right back in how we did in the beginning.
Oh my gosh, you moved your tape or something happened to your tape. I didn't move nothing.
Oh, dude, there's like,
yeah, I don't know what happened.
And once again, going back into those oranges and just really making those colors stand out more. Here I'm taking this liquid glitter eyeshadow by BB or Bebe, whatever you want to call it, and I'm putting it on this very thin brush. And I'm gonna cut the crease, not all the way. You kind of want to stop where the blue ends, but like kind of meeting the purple, just how you see I'm doing here.
Don't open it, it's me!
So I'm removing the tape and I'm gonna go ahead and go into her face. I'm using the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. And then after we do everything for her face, we could continue back into the eyeshadow. For concealer, I'm going to be using her Age Rewinder by Maybelline in the shade Medium Moyen, if I said that correctly. To cream contour, I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. And I know it's dark, but you guys, the outcome was amazing.
It's gonna look good. You're so beautiful.
Do you guys see how beautifully it is blending out? I'm just in love with it. It is so perfect for her skin tone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set her concealer and everything. So of course, I'm using the Airspun translucent powder. And to set her contour, I'm using the Hoola by Benefit, and I'm just applying a little bit onto that same place we put the cream contour, just to kind of set it and add some more definition. After, I'm going to add some blush to her cheeks. Lately, actually for a really long time now, I've really been loving that whole bronze look, all that good stuff. And then I'm just gonna blend it all together with a fluffy brush. And of course, you can't forget to cut the contour, because you need to, you know? I am gonna fill in her eyebrows, but nothing too dramatic. I'm just going to darken them up a bit because it is a very dramatic eye look.
It's okay. Look it, I bet you I'm gonna fix it. I'll be back.
And for her bottom lash line, I'm taking this orange and putting it on her lower lash line, but more towards the inner eye corner, how you see here. And it's gonna be like half and half. So I'm gonna do the orange and then I'm gonna go into the pink, kind of like the top of her eyeshadow.
Should I talk about his smile? Or what about his style?
As for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm using Sunray and Golden Dawn. Then I'm taking that same glitter eyeshadow that we used to cut the crease, and I'm gonna put that in her inner eye corner. And finally, for the lips, I'm taking the Fenty gloss, and I'm just gonna apply that to her lips.
I like it when you pull my hair.
You like it when I put your hair?
This my shit. All the girls.
So now that we're done with the face, we're gonna go ahead and curl her hair, get her all dolled up. After that, I'm gonna just go ahead and make her change, and we are done. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want her in my channel more, let us know what you want to see. And if you liked this look, I am so excited. I love the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Love. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, cover it with me.